Hi guys! So today is a special day because I'm going to unbox this. And this is my Kanna Cosplay that I get from a friend. It's time to unbox it with you guys. So I can't wait, so let's start unboxing this Kanna Cosplay. And I really love Kanna, she's so cute. Okay, let's just start. Okay, the first thing I see here are the horns. Okay. They look okay. Let's see. Okay, they look good. Okay, so these are the horns. It's very soft and I actually like it. Okay, the next thing are these balls for the hair. It's made out of foam. So, oh, this is actually like a stress ball. Okay, so the hair of Kanna needs to be in here, in this hole, as you can see. And we got 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, I don't know what this is. It's so closed. Ow. Okay, let's see. I can't wait to open it, so. Oh. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is the tail. Oh. This is the tail. Well, it's kind of weird because I've got this whole cosplay in one package, but it's awesome. Okay. Oh, wow. I forgot about the tail. Okay, so how does it look like? It's very sticky. What the heck? Is it like... It's not glue, is it? Okay, so this is weird because this is very sticky. And... oh yeah, by the way, I'm sitting here in my pajamas, so don't think weird. I just woke up and I want to check it out. Okay, so it can bend easily. That's nice. It can stay like this. That's nice too. And this is also fun. And this is probably to make it. I don't get it. Wait. Oh, I get it. This is just for your to do this. Like, I think this is what you need to do. I don't get it. We will see it later. But I think it's cool. So we also got the tail. We got everything in this cosplay. So that's also about this cosplay. Because nothing is missing except for the shoes. But it's looking good. The only thing I'm still worried about is that this is sticky. And I don't get it. But okay, let's put it back. Okay, the next thing we got is her rig. Oh my gosh, it's so colorful. I'm getting so happy of the colors. Okay, ooh. Alright. Wig cap. That's useful because I only have 2 left and they always are gonna break. Okay, but this is the wig. Oh my god. Oh, the colors are beautiful. Oh my god, the colors are amazing. Oh my god. It's also so long and it looks so cool. Oh, I'm so in love right now. Look at the colors. Oh my god, I can't wait to put this on. And it's very soft. And it kind of looks realistic, I guess. Not too realistic because of this, but it doesn't look bad. It's really soft. I like it. Oh my god, it's so soft. And look at the colors here. Oh my god. Okay, enough for the wig. Let's put it right there. With the wig cap. Next thing is the cosplay itself, the outfit. Okay, I hope this is gonna fit me. Why do I need to open it? Okay, we got it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is like... Oh my god, it looks so cute. I hope I will fit this. Okay, so this is what needs to be on top. Ooh. Oh my god. This is actually a good quality, like here. Oh. Okay. Okay, I have to admit, this cosplay is legit awesome for the price. I didn't pay it, but my friend did, and it's awesome for the price. I mean, look at the details for the price. It was like, I don't know, 60 euros for everything. So look at the details. It's awesome. Oh, the nice part is that you have a zipper right here, so you can just put it on and off easily. Oh, that's nice. It's awesome. Okay, the bottom. I think there needs to be a petticoat under this. I'm not sure about it. You can see when I put it on. But it looks cool. It looks okay. There's no detail because this is a skirt, so let's put it there. What's this? I actually forgot what this was. No, I don't. Wait. And what's this? I forgot. Okay, I forgot all this and this, but when I put it on, I will know what this is. And this little thing. Let's see. Ooh, it's straight. Oh, these are the wait. Are these the socks? No way, those. It's very stretchy, but I don't think my feet will get to that. I know these look very small, but it's pretty big. Maybe you need to stretch it a bit. And now it looks better than this one. Okay. So this was the review, and I actually liked it. It's pretty. Everything is in it except for the shoes. The shoes are like, I don't know, $20-$30. I don't know, but I will put this on because it's so cool. Everything is in it. It's cheap. It's very cheap, but it's very good quality. So I want to thank the friend that bought this cosplay. Thank you, Joey. And I will see you next time. Maybe if I probably will make another video about my Kanna cosplay when I have it on. And I'll see you guys later. So bye. Thank you so much for watching.